I get this question a lot. A lot of times, job applications say that a junior or entry level job requires 3 to 5 years of experience for an entry level role. But a lot of people don't have 3 to 5 years. So, should you still apply for the job? What do y'all think?
Definitely. You should definitely apply to a job, even if it has 3 to 5 years. I mean, hey, the worst thing they can tell you is no.
Right.
I mean, that's my attitude towards it. I feel like the worst thing that a hiring manager can do is tell you no. And at the end of the day, it's all about experience. You shouldn't only apply to roles that you feel qualified for. You should apply to them all. As long as it's not saying senior and you clearly know you're not senior, I think you should just go for it.
Yeah, I think these junior level roles that are requiring 3 to 5 years of experience, I think the company is looking for a mid level engineer, but they don't want to pay for a mid level engineer because a first year engineer, we don't know nothing. We don't know anything. We got the skills, we got the projects, but we really don't know how to build a enterprise level product, right? And so I think companies, specifically recruiters, need to edit these job postings to be more realistic to what the market is reflecting. 3 to 5 years of experience is not a junior level role. That is a mid level role at least. And the money and the time commitment that's required to support that person is a lot higher. But yes, I do think you should still apply, is pretty much what I'm trying to say.
I agree. I think also the recruiters are probably just copying and pasting from
Yes.
another job and putting in this other job because everybody's limited on time and that's probably the easiest and they might just forget to change the year. So just apply, like Sandy said. The worst you could hear is no. You're going to get a lot of no's, but we're going to have tough skin through the job process and we're going to push through it.